The STL Group is an Australian-owned transport management company who specialise in providing strategic recommendations and delivering reliable support through their logistics, transport and supply chain solutions. Driven by an experienced team of industry professionals, STL Group has earned a reputation for delivering results, adding value to businesses by boosting efficiency while minimising costs. CRC Industries is a global market leader in the production of special chemicals, lubricants, aerosols and corrosion inhibitors for the automotive, marine, electrical, mining and industrial markets. STL Group helps CRC simplify their complicated distribution network, saving them both time and money.
My name is Louis Aranda and I work for CRC Industries in Sydney, and I'm the National Warehouse and Distribution Manager. We send about 150 consignments on a daily basis. On a monthly basis, about 2,000. CRC makes a difference in the marketplace because of the type of service that we provide. The distribution center, as soon as it receives an order, we'll make sure that the customer gets it within a small number of days, 2 or 3 days. So service becomes #1 priority for us. For CRC, it's extremely important having happy customers. And I didn't have a very large number of happy customers. I didn't get deliveries on time, missing parcels, missing pallets. A bit of a disaster. Having 7 different companies, transport companies, it wasn't something good. I needed to make a change. I didn't have a choice. So when STL came aboard, of course I was interested to hear something different, because it was at the time something different. And 3 or 4 years later, it has been a very successful partnership. I can recommend a partnership like this to anyone because it's working for us. Since we started working with STL, I did a bit of a research around the country. Initially, when I started researching the customer satisfaction, it started from 82%. Eventually, with a small number of weeks, went up to 92.5%, if I remember correctly. And currently, we have 99.5% customer satisfaction. The distribution center is all about satisfying customers. And STL is delivering what they promise. Since STL started working together with us, everything works. Everything is in place. Things happen at the right time. Makes my job a lot easier. We make a phone call and things happen. We challenge ourselves between the two parties. I do get a monthly report from STL. It's a very comprehensive report. It tells me basically from A to Z exactly what the situation is on a monthly basis.
The trusted team at STL Group offers the knowledge, experience and exceptional customer service needed to ensure the best result today, tomorrow and into the future.
Hi, I'm John Sampson, the founder and managing director of the STL Group. I guarantee that we can make a difference. Call us now on 1300 795 122.
For more information, visit our website at www.stl.net.au.